On this Sunday is going to be my birthday. I'm going to turn to 27. So is it possible for me to get 300 subscribers as a birthday gift? Hello everyone, it's Billy. Welcome or welcome back to my channel where I test in affordable beauty products or drugstore beauty products, and today's video is going to be TikTok makeup hack again. Yes, I love to watch video from TikTok and they have some makeup hack, and yes, I'm going to try it today with you. So if you guys would like to know these makeup hacks work, please keep on watching. I already finished my eye makeup using a makeup Laboration, Surf collab with Laboration. I think this one is her first palette that she collabed with Laboration. She's amazing. If you don't know who she is, I will leave her link in the description box. She's amazing. She's lovely. She's so sweet. She's one of the YouTubers that inspired me to do these channels as well. So yes, today of course we are going to try TikTok makeup hack, and I saw these account. I'm trying to, you know, read her account name, but it's too difficult for me. That's my fault, and I just don't want to ruin her account name. So basically she's just like put her foundation on her face and spray with makeup spray, something like this, and she said it coming out with a brush. So I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me foundation. As you already know, this foundation I would say light to medium coverage, but we will see it's going to change or give any, you know, better look like I did last time. Last time I did like you know, I mixed this one with loose powder, and it's coming out with full coverage foundation, which I'm impressed. So yes, of course we are going to try this. I'm just going to try like this side of my face first, like last time, because I would like to see the different. You will see that my face look, you know, really funny now because I break out quite a lot, and yes, I don't really like it, but I can't help it. Then I'm going to use Urban Decay Makeup Setting Spray Oil Control. Like that. And then use these like type of brush to blend everything. I zoomed into you and you will see the result of it. So as you can see, it gave me some coverage, like much than I didn't put any spray on. And as you can see the difference between this side and this side, it gave me some coverage, but it's not like last time that I mixed foundation with loose finish powder, and that it's amazing. It coming out like flawless skin, and this is just, I think this is okay. It's not bad, but it's quite thick when you blend it out, which normally it doesn't like feel like thicker like this. But yeah, for me it's not bad, but it doesn't do anything for my face. I'm going to finish this side of my face and my eyebrow off camera, and I will be right back. I'm back, and the last makeup hack that I would like to try from Nikki Tutorial. If you don't know who she is, she's amazing as well. Well, basically her channel called Nikki Tutorial. So yes, it's about nose contour. She said I need to, oh by the way, the product that I use is from a makeup Laboration Roxy Contour and Highlight Palette. So she said like I have to like put contour or bronzer like on my nose like that. It don't have to be perfect. I'm nervous. Like that. like, oh yeah, I never put like this before. Basically I just put like on the side and look at that. Yes, like that. And then using face powder, this one is from Lebron Age Defining, and dry beauty blender I use in Real Technique, and then, you know, put it on the side of my nose, just like that. Oh god. Oh god. Just like that. Oh god. Oh, I messed it up. Look at that. Yes, like put on the side like that. I'm so scared. This is not going to work. Okay. Look at that. Okay. Like that. Right. Okay. And then blend it with, you know, big, maybe big, look at that. I look like a cloud or something now. So I will blend it with this brush that I use for my foundation. Well, is it go like this side is going to be like too light? I think I use Beauty Blender. Perfect. Oh god. I messed it up! Wait a second. I'm going to fix it. Oh god, I don't think that I can fix it. Oh god. What did I done? On the end of this video, my face is going to look so weird. What do you guys think? I think it's, or maybe I did it wrong, but nope. No, yes, I definitely did something wrong, but it doesn't work. Also, a foundation doesn't work as well. So, and that is my TikTok makeup hack. To be honest, for the foundation part, I don't think it worked with me. I might did something wrong, but compared to the first part that I did, the first part that I followed TikTok makeup hack, where I mix Maybelline Fit Me foundation with loose finish powder, it gives me a really good coverage. But this step from a TikTok makeup hack doesn't give me anything apart from it make it more thicker. So, and the contour part, I don't think it worked with me. I might did something wrong, but as you can see, my nose it still look a little bit weird. So yes, this is my personal opinion, and please don't hate me. If you have any affordable beauty products that you love, again, you can tell me in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next video. Bye!